Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. So if you're watching this video, that means that you've made it through week 1 and you're beginning the week 2 assignments. So you've completed all the introductory activities, you clicked on all the links, and you completed the course introduction as well. I really enjoyed reading about each of you and just knowing who it is that I'm communicating with. So thank you for sharing just a little bit of who you are. Just makes things a little bit more personable rather than just a name on a computer screen, as I said last week. And hopefully you've clicked on all of these links and completed the assignments that were available there. So just a reminder, it is your goal to get an entirely green bar, okay? And your screen looks a little bit different than mine, but you want that bar to be fully green. If not, you click on it and it will show you what you're missing. In most cases, it's simply that you just didn't click on something. So again, you may not have an assignment due or submission, but you must, for example, click on the links to watch the video to get credit towards your checklist. Okay? Now, with that being said, because most of you have demonstrated that you understand that, we're going to get right into the heart of things. So, our first week in the textbook is Understanding Fitness and Wellness with Chapter 1. Okay, and so this will be due by June 5th. Remember, each week you're going to have 2 chapters due. So, Chapter 1 is talking about the fitness piece, which we tend to think of as like the physical activity part, of course. But then also the wellness, where it's much more than just the body. We're talking mental, emotional, social health, just overall wellness. So we're taking a holistic approach to taking care of ourselves and living well. And that's going to increase your quality of life and also increase longevity, meaning how long you live. Okay, so we've got another video to watch. This, and you'll get into the routine of things here. Now we've got a checklist which shows you everything that's due. This video that you're watching now, the PowerPoint, your lab for Chapter 1, and the quiz, and then again your physical activity monitoring report. Okay, and then also you'll have due the same week, June 5th, is Chapter 12, Special Considerations Related to Exercise and Injury Prevention. So this is our safety chapter. So if we're telling you to get out and get moving and incorporate physical activity in your life, we want to make sure that you understand how to do that in a safe manner. And in particular, in the summertime, we take consideration to the heat. So staying hydrated, trying to plan your workout or your physical activity at times during the day where it's not as hot, making sure you have the proper clothing, proper shoes, things of that nature, understanding your own fitness levels and your current health levels, and not overexerting yourself. So those would be all special considerations related to exercise and injury prevention. Again, for this chapter, it'd be the same thing. The checklist, I'm not doing a separate video, okay, so this is all combined together under the Chapter 1 section. Your PowerPoint, your quiz, your labs, and then again you would have one physical activity monitoring report. So there would just be one for the week. Let me make sure I have this set up correctly for you all. Okay, so it will actually be physical activity monitoring report weekly 3 that I want you to do. Okay? Alright guys, well it's pretty much self-explanatory, not much to it. Now I'm always here for you if you need help with the content or if you're having technical issues, for example with MyLabs Plus. You'll see once you get into the labs that those are things that are really just surveys and inventories based on you and your current level of wellness or how you're currently living, and that'll give you an idea of areas where you could continue to work to improve or areas that you're doing well and you want to maintain. Okay? Alright guys, we are in week 2 of an 8-week course, so make sure you're staying on top of things and just continue to do great work. Take care.